Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Sudhakar Agari. Right now I'm in Manali. I came to explore Manali. Hope you can see the back view. It's almost, the temperature is 7 degrees I guess here, and I'm going to go onto the top of the mountain. I don't want to mention that name, but please do watch the video completely. Yesterday night I reached around at 9 o'clock in the night. So after reaching to Manali, the temperature almost fallen down to 4 degrees, 1 degree. It was so cold, so cold. Snow was not falling, but it was very cold. So night I purchased some sweaters, woolen clothes to cover my body. Right now we are going towards Rohtang Valley, and Leh Rohtang this side we will be moving. Hopefully I can show you that beautiful pictures, beautiful views. Hope you enjoy the video. Here you will find all Himalaya, all Royal Enfield Himalayas, all latest bikes like mountaineering bikes. I know I'm still, though there is sunshine here, it's almost, the time is almost 1 o'clock right now. Though there is a sunshine fully, but it's very cold. The winds are blowing, and you can see up here how much it's blowing, and you can see the mountain, you can see the snow over there. We'll go on to the top of the mountain and we'll explore. You can see all adventurous bikes here, all wild adventurous bikes. You can take these adventurous bikes on rent here, but it is a little bit costly. Better come by own means of transport, come by own vehicle, and you can explore many things. Here the transportation is, though even if you are going by means of transportation like bus, government bus or private buses, the cost is so high. If you have our own vehicle, we can go anywhere. Right, Ladakh, Spiti Valley, Sach Pass, Kullu, Manali. These are the places we can explore actually. Everywhere you find all Royal Enfield, Himalayan, all everywhere. You can see here. Oh, what a beautiful scenery here. Ooh. German Shepherd. Hopefully the video is coming clear. You should have dry fruits. You should have enough of stomach full food. Then only we can go for hitchhiking here in Manali. If not, we'll faint and we'll fall. There will be no one to take care. Hope you can see the beautiful view here. I think this is Bees River, which is flowing. Crystal clear water. Bee River, it's very crystal clear water, which is coming from snow is melting, so that's why water level has increased so much, so high. So this way I came. If you go straight towards this, you will find bus station, and you'll find all this. Very in the streets of Manali, going towards Rohtang Valley, Leh. I'll try to reach there. If not, I'll come back again. Wow, very beautiful place. I wanted to go towards Shimla by train, but I decided to first explore Manali, then I'll go back to Shimla later if I have time. Everywhere you find pine trees here. One side the river is flowing from top of the mountains. You find pine trees everywhere, and this road goes to Leh. You can see the mountains are completely fully covered by snow. I think so. You can see the up. Wow, beautiful place. So beautiful. You can see the palm trees. లిఫ్ట్ అడిగితే అయిపోయింది. Inconvenience regretted. can see the mountains here. At any time anything might fall. Landslides will take place.